Hello everyone. Welcome back to We Are All Makers. Today, we'll look at how candles are created in a factory. From melting wax to packaging, you'll see every step involved in manufacturing these comforting sources of light. Let's plunge in. First things first, the wax. Most candles are made of paraffin, soy, or beeswax. Large blocks of wax arrive at the factory. Soy wax is a popular choice for eco-friendly candles due to its slower burn rate and clean emissions. The wax is then melted using massive industrial melters. The temperature needs to be properly managed. Were you aware that beeswax has a higher melting point than other waxes? This causes beeswax candles to burn longer and brighter. The melted wax is constantly swirled to provide a uniform temperature and consistency. At this point, chemicals such as stearic acid can be added to harden the wax and help the candle keep its shape better. Now comes the fun part, adding smell and color. Essential oils or synthetic fragrance oils are added to the wax to give the candles their distinct aromas. Each fragrance oil must be precisely proportioned to ensure that it mixes well with the wax. The colorants are added next. These can be natural substances, such as crushed minerals or synthetic dyes. An intriguing fact, some candle makers employ mica granules, which provide a shimmering look to the candles as they burn. Wicks are cut and prepared as the wax is made. The wick is the core of the candle, and its size and composition can have a significant impact on how well it burns. Cotton wicks are popular, but for a distinctive touch, some candles use wooden wicks that crackle like a miniature fireplace. Each wick is linked to a metal tab to keep it straight throughout the pouring procedure. These tabs also help to secure the wick in the melted wax. It's time to pour now that the wicks have been prepared and the wax is ready. The molds are assembled with the wicks in place, and the molten wax is gently poured into each one. Keeping the wick centered is essential for an even burn. Molds of all shapes and sizes are frequently found in factories, ranging from classic pillar candles to sophisticated ornamental designs. Some molds are even designed to create candles with embedded ornaments, such as flowers or shells. After pouring, the molds are placed on racks to cool and harden. This process may take several hours. Some manufacturers employ cooling tunnels to ensure that cooling is distributed evenly. Surprisingly, quick cooling can cause cracks, so a slow, controlled cooling method is recommended. After the candles have completely hardened, they are gently removed from their molds. If any flaws are discovered, like as air bubbles or surface blemishes, the candles can be remelted and poured again. The next step is to trim the wicks to the proper length, which is typically 1/4 inch. This ensures a clean and even burn. Some candles are buffed or dipped in a final coat of wax to give them a polished appearance. Some candles are finished with a stamp or label bearing the brand's branding. This not only improves the look, but also helps with brand recognition. Finally, the candles are ready for packing. To prevent damage, each candle is individually wrapped in protective cloth. The packing can range from simple boxes to complex gift sets. The packed candles are then boxed and ready to be dispatched to retailers or straight to customers. Fun fact: some premium candle makers include a tiny pamphlet in each box with maintenance instructions and scent descriptions. And that is how candles are created, from raw wax to a neatly packed product ready to illuminate your house. It's fascinating to see how much craftsmanship and precision goes into each step. Thank you for joining us on our tour of We All Makers. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes glimpses at how ordinary goods are created. See you next time.